Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I've got a 2002 BMW K1200LT I want to show you. It's an older BMW touring bike. It's in really nice shape though. It's got a few signs of wear on it. It's got good tires on it, but you can see there's a little rock peg, a couple little scratches around on it. A few tiny little rock pecks up here on the fairing. The bike's got 38,187 miles on it. Comes with a BMW navigated system on it. Heated hand grips. Let's see, I've got it locked. Let me see if I can do this with one hand here. There we go. Get over here on this side where I can reach it. I'll fire it off for you and let you give it a listen. I don't even know if you can hear it run. It runs really quiet. You can see some little signs here, a little rubbing here on up in the dash area. There's some little scratches and rubbing there. Plenty of storage there in the bags. And lights added to the back of it here. I'll have to get the key to unlock this bag. It's got a couple little nicks here. The bike runs real good. It's a 1200cc inline 4, liquid cooled with a 5-speed. It's got built-in highway pegs there. Nice big passenger area back here with onboard electronics, communications. If you'd like to know more about this bike, you can call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. Go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. It's got running lights added up here on the front. It's been through our shop and serviced, safety checked and inspected, so it's ready to ride. There's a couple little scratches down here. I don't know that I'll be able to point out every little thing on it, but it's overall in really nice shape. Got an excellent tire here on the back as well. Go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com or call our sales team. I'm not sure how that opens. Toll free at 888-400-1151. Got the electric windshield here, adjustable windshield, raises up and down. That's pretty handy. Full instrumentation. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to put this BMW in your driveway. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.